When two Ultra phones want to prove that they have more to offer than just great cameras, which one will come out on top? Let's find out in this extreme battery drain test between the Oppo Find X9 Ultra versus the Vivo X300 Ultra on mobile cellular data only with no Wi-Fi usage. Let's get into it. Okay, straight into it, no time wasting. Extreme battery drain test between the Oppo Find X9 Ultra and the Vivo X300 Ultra. We are doing things a little bit different with this one. We're getting straight into it. What you need to know mainly is that with our extreme battery drain test, we do it purely on mobile cellular data only with no Wi-Fi option. We shoot it as one continuous video with no stops and no skips, and I only speed up in important areas so you don't have to sit around for hours like I had to. So if you appreciate this more straightforward approach, a more accurate approach to our controlled extreme battery drain test, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on the Lover of Tech channel, especially when it comes to extreme battery drain test. Road to 100,000 subscribers back on the table for 2026, and with your help and support, we can make it happen. Round one is 4K 60 video recording. We do it 1 hour each. We're going to speed this section up very quickly so we can get to it to see what the percentage is and also the temperature. So after video recording, 85% battery, 44.7 degrees Celsius, minus 15% battery loss on the Oppo, 89% battery, 44.3 degrees Celsius, minus 11% battery lost on the Vivo. So round one goes to Vivo for this one when it comes to what we have. As you can see below, the chipsets that they're powered by and also the battery capacities as well. Next is X Spaces or Twitter Spaces. Let me know whether you're old school X or Twitter below. Once we get through this, we will see that we are pretty much on 79% battery, 32.4 degrees Celsius, minus 6% battery loss on the Oppo, 81% battery, 32.9 degrees Celsius, minus 8% battery loss on the Vivo. Again, this round goes to the Vivo for final percentage, but actually least battery percentage loss was on Oppo. Next is TikTok. We've got TikTok Reels and, well, TikTok videos, not Reels, as we're going through. After an hour, 72% battery, 31.7 degrees Celsius, minus 7% battery loss, 71% battery, 33.4 degrees Celsius, minus 10% battery loss on the Vivo. This one goes to the Oppo for this round three. Round four is Instagram Reels. As we're pretty much getting through the Instagram Reels, we will get to the percentage: 66% battery, 30.2 degrees Celsius, minus 6% battery loss on the Oppo, and then 63% battery, 31.1 degrees Celsius, minus 8% battery loss on the Vivo. Again, this round goes to the Oppo for round four. Round five is YouTube, and we've got this streaming at 1440p 60 FPS purely on mobile cellular data, full screen. Once we get it, 57% battery, 34.7 degrees Celsius, minus 9% battery loss on the Oppo, 54% battery, 33.7 degrees Celsius, minus 9% battery loss on the Vivo. Yes, it's even when it comes to the battery loss, but overall it goes to Oppo for round five. Round six is YouTube Music, listening to Kanye West's College Dropout, one of my favorite albums and projects of all time. After an hour, we are on 48% battery, 33.0 degrees Celsius, minus 9% battery loss on the Oppo, and then 43% battery, 33.4 degrees Celsius, minus 11% battery loss on the Vivo. Again, this round goes to Oppo again for round six. Round seven is when gaming kicks in. We're doing it light with Subway Surfers to kick things off before we intensify. After an hour of Subway Surfers, 40% battery, 31.8 degrees Celsius, minus 8% battery loss on the Oppo, and then 35% battery, 31.6 degrees Celsius, minus 8% battery lost on the Vivo. Again, similar percentage loss, but overall, this is still a win for Oppo for the final percentage. Now things are going to really intensify. One of the most intensive parts of this extreme battery drain test: gaming high end with Asphalt Legends at maximum graphics settings on both these devices with the same chipset, and it's going to be incredible how it really ends up. After an hour, we have 25% battery, 38.0 degrees Celsius, minus 15% battery loss on the Oppo, double digits, 16% battery, 39.2 degrees Celsius, minus 19% battery loss on the Vivo. The Vivo took a very big hit on this one, but 8 hours of pure continuous screen on time on mobile cellular data only with no Wi-Fi usage. Incredible stuff. As we are pretty much getting into the 9 hour mark, the next one for round 9 is going to be WhatsApp video call. Once we get into the WhatsApp video call section, it's going to be interesting to see, are these phones going to be able to make it? And you can see the percentage drain in real time. We get to 1% battery left, 39.2 degrees Celsius, minus 15% battery loss on the Vivo. And then 14% battery left, 37.1 degrees Celsius, minus 11% battery loss on the Oppo. The Oppo's got this clearly won, but how far is it going to stretch beyond what we have? And first to die is the Vivo. We do have a finishing time there of 9 hours, 1 minute, 26 seconds. Final temperature region of 39.8 degrees Celsius. In second place is the Vivo X300 Ultra. Very formidable and really, really good. It's basically done all 9 applications. Now, we are on TikTok live streaming on the selfie camera. Again, it's still purely being done on mobile cellular data, and it makes it to the end. 1% battery left, 40.2 degrees Celsius, minus 13% battery loss on the Oppo. Formidable. We're circling back with YouTube. How long is it going to last? And yes, we do have a finishing time of 10 hours, 4 minutes and 26 seconds. Final temperature region of 38.3 degrees Celsius. In first place for this extreme battery drain test on mobile cellular data only, Oppo Find X9 Ultra. Now, if you want to see a detailed breakdown of how I set up these devices for this particular extreme battery drain test, check the unlisted video in the description below. Apart from that, this is what we have. First place goes to the Oppo Find X9 Ultra, and also second place goes to the Vivo X300 Ultra. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And that's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.